Hi, if you want to customize wake on wrist sensitivity on your Amazfit T-Rex free, then let's open settings first by swiping left on watch face and choosing settings. Here we need to find display tab. So let's go through the list, select it, and now find wake on wrist. Also select it. And here you need to select responsive speed. And now we can choose between standard and sensitive according to your preferences. So if standard is not enough for you, then you can pick sensitive and save changes using this back button, and also go in enable status. And here pick either smart, so it will be enabled all day but disabled during night, or you can set schedule, enable to all day, or turn off. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.